Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. 10 of Swords in reverse, 3 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, High Priestess, 2 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. Wow, I already have 2 tens here, Pisces, for you. With the Emperor in reverse, bottom of my deck. Normally an Emperor in reverse for me is somebody who's very stubborn, who is a false Emperor. But in this deck, this spread, I feel this Emperor is feeling they've lost their power. They're feeling quite down and out. I think they do want a reunion. But this Queen of Cups has withdrawn her love now from them, and there's silence between the two of you. They're feeling dropped. So there is hope yet that, let's see. Pisces, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the cards, okay? So Pisces and their person, spirit. Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other. Either that, Pisces, or this Queen of Cups is now given up on the idea of this Emperor. I'll have to clarify to figure out what's happening, but I have a Queen of Cups in the center of my spread in reverse. It's like drained out of all my love. I'm no longer willing to give love. I'm not putting in any more work, and I'm going silent. But then I have the 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups as well on my spread, in a 9-card spread, 2 tens, with the Ace of Wands. So it's going to be an exciting read. Let's see. Let's take a couple more from here, Pisces. Okay, let's start your reading. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card I have here says, I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul feels just so unsettled. This could be this Queen of Cups saying that, who's in reverse, right? In the upright, the Queen of Cups is very peaceful and balanced and intuitive and loving, kind. But somebody here says, I crave inner peace right now. My soul feels unsettled because of somebody's inconsistent behavior. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Loving you is knowing what true love is. There is no logical explanation for my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. I want to restore your faith in me. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. And the last one here, Pisces says, I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. Alright, this seems rather confusing, Pisces, today. What's happening? Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Pisces gang. Speak your truth. Yes, it's time to speak up. Either of you or both of you, it's time to clear the air, I think, and speak what is truly going on inside your heart space. One card just fell to the floor. Give me a second. Okay. All right, so let's start clarifying these cards. Ten of Swords, Spirit. What's this Ten of Swords in reverse? Things have really stagnated, it seems, between the two of you. There is no happiness, there's nobody coming towards the other, feeling a sense of loss of happiness and joy. But I do feel somebody wants to come forward now. They want to come forward and express themselves emotionally after feeling that they've lost. Everything has ended. There's somebody whose heart chakra seems to be opening up. Could be this Emperor in reverse who feels they've lost their power now, there's nothing left. So they are looking for a reconciliation. Yes, with the Moon card. I think very afraid, maybe still it's still a secret. Nobody knows that this person is wanting to come back for a reconciliation, because I think they are now visualizing their future. Three of Cups, Spirit. Yes, somebody wants to take action, Pisces. Somebody wants to take action. They want a reconciliation. They've, as much as things have not moved till now, as much as there's been silence between the two of you, this person has been quietly watching from the sidelines. I don't think they ever kind of took their eye off this Queen of Cups. Somebody's been watching throughout, and now I think they may be ready to take action. They do want to come forward with an emotional offer. Why is that, Spirit? This person has a lot of regret, Pisces. Whoever this masculine figure is has a lot of regret, a lot of sorrow. By masculine, I don't mean the man. You know tarot enough by now, I think, Pisces, to know whoever's embodying the masculine in them. Could be a woman, I don't know. But somebody here is now has a lot of regret and sadness about how things fell apart. And they've been watching throughout. Now they want to come forward. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, they want victory. They want victory and have the 10 of Pentacles with you. My God, this is a real turnaround from the last reading. I think the last reading was called the Wall of Ice or something. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. If there was anything else that was taking their attention, Pisces, they are getting over it. If their work was taking their attention, if there was a third party doesn't always have to be an affair. It could be something else that they were pulled towards. I think they are kind of making a decision. They've been quite obsessive about the fact that they're losing their Empress. Yes, this person wants to end this fight with this Empress. If there's been any conflict, they do want to end any toxicity or anything that's happened in this connection. So what's happening here, Spirit, then? 8 of Pentacles in reverse. This is this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups has been drained out completely. They don't trust. They've been heartbroken so badly here, Pisces, that I don't think this Queen of Cups really trusts in this connection anymore, nor are they willing to put in any work. They feel, I know the truth now about this person, and all they've given me is stress and anxiety and sleepless nights. All the secrets are out. I know them in and out. I know what they've been up to, and all they've done is not put any work in this connection and only break my heart. I'm totally drained out now and have nothing left to give them. So Queen of Cups, Spirit. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is almost planning to concentrate on the stability of their own life, or maybe go off for a stable new beginning. This is what this Queen of Cups wants. This is what the Queen of Cups wanted, even from this past person, that I want stability, I want to know, I want grounding. I don't want to feel unsettled. So I think this Queen of Cups is saying, this is what I need, this is what I want, and with or without them, I'm going to start moving forward and, take a chance wherever. Yes, I'm looking for a King of Pentacles. I'm looking for a King of Pentacles who's going to give me security, stability, forward movement, and a stable brand new start. And this person has done just the opposite till now. All they've done is drain my cup out and break my heart. So, the High Priestess spirit, High Priestess. The Queen of Cups says my person has not invested at all in this connection. They have been cold, they have been calculating, they have been unemotional, they've been rude, they've been mean, they have not shown me any love at all. And that's the reason, because their lack of non-action or lack of non-investment, I went quiet on them, or I am quiet on them. I've gone within and I've discovered the secret to my happiness lies in my own hands, in my palm. I'm going to be stable and happy on my own till I find that partner who's going to match my energy as the King of Pentacles. Okay, so the Queen of Cups is very sure of what they want. Let's see now. Two of Pentacles. One more. Somebody is, at least in their mind, they've already dropped this connection. This could be the Queen of Cups who says, I'm not willing to put in any more work. If this has ended, so be it. I'm accepting that it's time for me to end this connection. Or it could be the other person who's wanting a brand new cycle. Let me see. Spirit, who's wanting this major change in their life? One more. Wow. Oh my God. I think this is still the Queen of Cups. This is still the Queen of Cups who has kind of lost hope in this connection. They, I don't think, are ready to give another chance, or they don't expect this Emperor to have changed this drastically. I think this feminine energy here, the Queen of Cups, is holding back. They are holding back. They've become strong. They've retreated, and they are ready to drop this connection. And because all this while they've been left out in the cold, right? They've been hanging there by the tree, and they've been waiting, trying to get a perspective on this. And all they figured out is this connection has been very, very imbalanced. I think this Queen of Cups is finally coming into a place of the Nine of Cups, feeling that happiness within themselves, with themselves, focusing on themselves, and saying, hey, if not the 10, I'm happy with my 9. As long as, I can take care of myself, I'm not going to invest in somebody who's always never done the right thing by me. And yes, being at the 9 of Cups takes you straight to the 10 of Cups, and which is exactly what's coming. Now let's see what this 10 of Cups is for you. So what's this 10 of Cups, Spirit? Who's bringing this cup of love to add to the 9 cups? One more. Somebody who wants to fight for this connection. Somebody who wants to fight for this connection. Somebody who wants to bring justice to this connection. Expect a message. Somebody wants to send you a message. There is a lot of passion coming your way, Pisces. Now, I don't know whether this is new lover or an old one. It could be an old one also, because this card usually mentions that somebody wants to try again. I mean, they are not going to give up, and they want to fight for this connection, bring back balance, send a message. And they want the 10 of Cups. They want to now offer that one cup which was missing in the 9 of Cups. But this card also indicates new love sometimes. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'm ending with an Ace of Wands, so that's really exciting, isn't it? Let's see what this Ace of Wands is for you. So, Ace of Wands, Spirit, how's this coming? Who's bringing it? Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. One more. Sideways cards are the one. This is an important question. Ace of Wands. This could be a new person coming your way, Pisces. After much delay, after somebody walked away, finds peace in their own life. If you're already in that journey of leaving all conflicts behind, finding peace for yourself, maybe you walked away from something, there is something new coming for you which is going to be really exciting. This is going to be like happiness beyond happiness. The Sun card. After a delay of being stuck, after a delay of being stuck regarding a soulmate, and still not clear whether this person is changing and coming back. Either way, Pisces, there is going to be this passionate new beginning coming to your life. Okay, so let's check. I'm still very curious. I want to know what this Emperor in reverse is. Spirit, what's this Emperor in reverse? Oh my God. Yes, it is. This Emperor in reverse is coming with an apology. They want to come forward with an apology to make up with this Queen of Cups in reverse. Just when you think that fine, I'm over it and I'm moving on to a happy place, and now I'm in the Nine of Cups, I don't need anyone, I want a partner in my life, but I'm happy by myself, here comes the apology. So Pisces, if you're not in that zone of the Nine of Cups, you better start enjoying your life, start feeling good about yourself, start feeling complete within yourself. Okay, energetically, I think this person is going to change and realize, hey, my Pisces is gone, or vice versa. You could be doing that to your partner, and at least you'll get an apology, if nothing else, right? Whatever unsettled feelings you've had till now, at least those will be solved, and then yes, you can move forward to a creative, passionate new beginning with or without this person. And I do see a fabulous, fabulous future coming for you with the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups on my table, and the Ace of Wands with the Sun. Beautiful reading after a very long time, Pisces. So start celebrating now. Okay? That's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.